Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today I've got a printer recommendation video if you're looking to get a Christmas gift this year and it happens to be that you want to get someone a printer. I do want to give you 3 recommendations, 3 kind of different categories, different price ranges for a good idea to give someone a gift this upcoming Christmas. There's still some time. If you were doing some last minute shopping, some last minute searching for a printer, these are going to be 3 that I recommend. One of them actually I ended up getting a gift for someone. I won't say who it is because I want it to be a surprise even if they see this video, but I will tell you which one I ended up getting as a gift for Christmas this year for someone. Now there will be some links in the description below, and so the printers that I recommend, they will be on Amazon.com. These are 3 different categories of printers. The first one is the HP Deskjet 3755. Basically this printer here, you can get something similar to this, but this is the $80 to $100 price range kind of, and this is going to be a very simple printer. This is maybe for someone that doesn't do too much printing but still does need a printer, but you also don't want to spend too much money on it. It can print photos. It does have some pretty good capability, but it is the lower end and just the bare minimum when it comes to printing. You don't have the scanning or the automatic document feeder or anything like that. So someone that needs it for work, this may not be for them, but maybe someone that just needs to print some photos and something, or a printer that just does the bare minimum, this would be an excellent gift for them, and they really wouldn't need much more than this. Now the second printer I recommend, and this printer actually is the one that I ended up getting as a gift. The reason I got it was because of the automatic document feeder on the top. That means that you can scan pages, so someone that needs this printer for work is going to appreciate this, and this is kind of the mid-price, I would say, for a printer. It's $200. You also have a scanner, and it's HP. You've got a touch screen on there that has a lot of capability. You can print photo, you can print basically anything. It has very good capacity, and this is one of the newer printers that is out, that HP has put out, and so this is going to be also a very good option to give as a gift. Now you can get the different colors. It does come in red. It does have the kind of a teal green color to it as well. So you can kind of have something, that's a little bit different. The red one is a pretty popular one. There's no cost difference. But you have this one, mid-priced, has some really good capabilities. Someone that, like I said, has to be working from home, or someone that just is in a profession where they need to scan a lot of documents. This printer is going to be great for that. Now this next printer is the Epson Eco Tank. If you want to go the higher end of printing, these are the new Eco Tanks. And the only thing that this one does have a scanner, but it does not have an automatic document feeder, which someone may or may not need. So this is the highest end I say you probably would go for a gift for someone, getting someone a printer, and it's about $300 to $350. You have to check all of the pricing, of course, through the link. These prices might be a little bit off, but this is the higher end. It is missing some capability, but you can also go through categories, so you can look at another Eco Tank that does have an automatic document feeder. However, that might be more in the $400 to $450 range. And I left that out just because for a Christmas gift you usually don't go up that high. However, if you do want to do that, you can browse through the link that I provide to you. You can browse related products, and you will see that printer that I talked about with the automatic document feeder will most likely be in there. Same thing goes for the HP Deskjet 3755 that I recommended. There are similar models that might be a little bit less, a little bit more, and may have different capabilities, but it's going to be in that general price range. Same goes also for the HP OfficeJet. There are the higher models, there's the 9000 models, and then you've got the lower models from there that are going to be just as new, but maybe you don't necessarily need all of the capability. Most of those OfficeJets though do have the automatic document feeder and a scanner. You're not going to be missing out on that. However, if you think that someone needs more capability, someone needs to be able to print more and needs higher capacity, you may want to go with the 9000 models for the HP OfficeJet. But in general, this is really what I recommend. You really don't need to venture out much more than this. These are 3 distinguished categories for printers that are really going to be useful to whoever you're getting them for. And these are all printers that I highly recommend. If you see the channel, I have reviewed many different printers, and I know that these printers here do have pretty good capability and are dependable. You see there's the Epson Eco Tank, those are pretty good, and then I've got the HPs in there. HPs are going to be excellent as well. Every different printer is going to have its different capability and its different capacity. and you got the different price ranges as well. I hope that my explanation ended up helping you in making a decision on which printer you might aim for. Again, if you choose one and you say this is kind of the price range or kind of what I actually am looking for to give this person, you can kind of venture out from there once you go through the link and choose something similar. You don't necessarily have to go with this exact one. However, these are all very good printers. Whichever one you end up choosing, it will be an excellent gift this year for Christmas. Okay, I hope this video ended up being helpful. If it was, please make sure to comment below. Let me know what printer you ended up choosing and maybe even why you ended up choosing it. Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel. That would be greatly appreciated. And again, remember, there's links to each one of these printers that I've mentioned. Using those links does benefit the channel, it does benefit myself, but it's also there as a resource for you. Quickly before you go, if you are currently have a printer that is not able to print certain colors, it has streaks, or you have a general print quality problem, I do sell the Best Printers cleaning kit. There are countless videos on this channel showing you how to use this cleaning kit to give you better print quality if you're just not able to print a certain color. If you're not able to print at all, if you have an old printer laying around that you want to get running again, this cleaning kit will help you do that. Below all the printers that I recommended for Christmas shopping list, I will also include a link to the Best Printers cleaning kit so you can pick one up yourself. Again, this is to improve quality, or if you're just not able to print a certain color, or if you know someone that has this issue, share this product, share this video with them, and I would greatly appreciate that. Alright, it wouldn't be a Best Printers video without me linking to my product. Alright, that's really all I have for now. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.